In front of me is OnePlus Pad 2 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. All you need to do is hold your search bar and wait for the pop-up to show up. When it does, click on it. Then confirm your choice by hitting remove in the second one. So when I do that, as you can see, my Google search bar was successfully deleted. If you want to restore it, pinch your device's display, hit widgets at the bottom in the middle, scroll down to find Google app, and when you find it, click on the search bar. Then select Done at the top right corner. And to adjust the size of it, just hold it and drag it. When you finished, click on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!